The digital landscape is overflowing with tools promising to streamline business operations. Among them, Smartsheet stands out as a powerful platform, often lauded for its flexibility and collaborative capabilities. Simultaneously, customer relationship management, CRM, systems are indispensable for managing interactions and nurturing relationships with customers. This naturally leads to a common question, especially for those new to either system. Is Smartsheet a CRM system? As a project management expert, I've witnessed firsthand the versatility of Smartsheet and the focused functionality of dedicated CRMs. While there's a certain overlap in their capabilities, understanding their core purpose and design is crucial. Let's delve into this question, breaking down the functionalities and highlighting the key differences in a way that's easy for anyone to grasp. Whether you're a student, a budding entrepreneur, or simply curious, understanding the core, Smartsheet's project management prowess. At its heart, Smartsheet is a dynamic work management platform built around a spreadsheet-like interface. However, to simply call it a glorified spreadsheet would be a gross understatement. Smartsheet offers a robust suite of features designed to facilitate project planning, task management, collaboration, and reporting. The strengths lie in flexible structure. The familiar grid layout allows for easy organization of tasks, timelines, resources, and dependencies. This adaptability makes it suitable for managing diverse projects, from marketing campaigns to software development. Collaboration and communication. Smartsheet excels in fostering teamwork. Multiple users can simultaneously access and edit sheets, share files, engage in discussions directly within tasks, and receive automated updates on progress. Automation capabilities. Automating repetitive tasks is a cornerstone of efficient project management. Smartsheet allows you to create automated workflows for alerts, approvals, updates, and data movement, freeing up valuable time. Reporting and dashboards. Transforming raw data into actionable insights is crucial. Smartsheet offers powerful reporting tools and customizable dashboards that provide a visual overview of project status, resource allocation, and key performance indicators, KPIs. Integration with other tools. Smartsheet seamlessly integrates with a wide array of other business applications, including Microsoft Office 365, Google Workspace, and various data analytics platforms, enhancing its overall utility. Think of Smartsheet as a highly adaptable toolkit for managing complex endeavors. It provides the framework and features necessary to plan, execute, and track projects effectively, ensuring everyone stays on the same page and deadlines are met. Unpacking the purpose. The customer-centric focus of CRM systems. In contrast, a CRM system is specifically designed to manage and analyze customer interactions and data throughout the customer lifecycle. Its primary goal is to build stronger customer relationships, improve customer satisfaction, and ultimately drive sales growth. Key features of a typical CRM system include 1. NBOLDAP.com. NBOLDAP.com. Contact management. A central database to store and organize detailed information about leads, prospects, and existing customers, including contact details, communication history, and purchase records. Sales management tools to track sales pipelines, manage opportunities, automate sales processes, and forecast revenue. This often includes lead scoring, deal stages, and quotation management. Marketing automation. Features to automate marketing campaigns, segment audiences, manage email marketing, and track marketing effectiveness. Customer service and support. Modules to manage customer inquiries, track support tickets, build knowledge bases, and ensure timely and efficient customer service. Reporting and analytics. CRM systems provide insights into customer behavior, sales performance, marketing ROI, and customer service metrics, enabling data-driven decision-making. Imagine a CRM as a dedicated hub for all customer-related activities. It's built to provide a 360-degree view of each customer, allowing businesses to understand their needs, personalize interactions, and build lasting loyalty. The overlap and the divergence. Where Smartsheet and CRM intersect and don't. While their core purposes differ, there are areas where Smartsheet can be used for tasks that might seem adjacent to CRM functionalities. Lead tracking. Smartsheet can be configured to track leads, their contact information, and the initial stages of engagement. However, it lacks the sophisticated lead scoring and nurturing capabilities of a dedicated CRM. Sales pipeline management. Basic sales pipelines can be visualized and managed in Smartsheet using different columns and status updates. However, it won't offer the automated workflows, forecasting tools, and integration with quoting systems found in a CRM. Customer onboarding. Smartsheet is excellent for managing the project aspects of onboarding new customers, such as tracking tasks, assigning responsibilities, and sharing relevant documents. Customer communication tracking. While not its primary function, communication logs can be manually maintained within Smartsheet sheets associated with specific clients. However, it lacks the integrated email and communication tracking features of a CRM. The crucial distinction lies in the purpose-built nature of CRM systems. They are designed from the ground up to manage customer relationships and drive sales. Their features are tailored to these specific goals, offering functionalities that Smartsheet, with its broader project management focus, simply doesn't possess. Why Smartsheet isn't a replacement for a dedicated CRM. Attempting to use Smartsheet as a primary CRM system will likely lead to limitations and inefficiencies in several key areas. Lack of customer history and 360-degree view. Smartsheet struggles to provide a comprehensive history of all customer interactions across different touchpoints, sales, marketing, support, in the way a CRM does. Limited sales and marketing automation. Smartsheet lacks the sophisticated automation features for lead nurturing, email marketing campaigns, and sales process automation that are standard in CRM systems. Absence of dedicated customer service tools. Features like ticket management, knowledge bases, and service level agreement, SLA, tracking are typically absent in Smartsheet. Reporting limitations for customer-specific metrics. While Smartsheet offers powerful reporting, generating in-depth reports on customer acquisition cost, customer lifetime value, or churn rate will be significantly more challenging compared to a CRM. Scalability challenges for customer data. As your customer base grows, managing vast amounts of customer data efficiently and securely within Smartsheet can become cumbersome and less reliable than a dedicated CRM database.